Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before continuing, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says simplify root 15 plus root 21 plus root 25 plus root 35 all over root 3 plus root 7 plus root 20. So here we are going to simplify or find the solution of this radical expression. So here we are given root 15 plus root 21 plus root 25 plus root 35 all over root 3 plus root 7 plus root 20. Here we can further simplify this as root 5 times 3 plus root 7 times 3 plus root 5 times 5 plus root 7 times 5 all over root 3 plus root 7 plus root 4 times 5. So here we can recall that when we have root A times B, the same thing as root A times root B. We can represent this in this format. So this will become root 5 times root 3 plus root 7 times root 3 plus root 5 times root 5 plus root 7 times root 5. Root 3 plus root 7, root 3 plus root 7. 2 root 5 is the same thing as root 5 plus root 5. We can further simplify this as, because we can distribute this into each of these. So this will become root 5 plus root 7 into root 3 plus root 5 all over, we have here as root 3 plus root 5. Then we have root 5 plus root 7. We just distribute root 5 into root 3 and root 7. So this is what we have. So the next step, we can introduce parentheses in between here. So we see that we have root 3 plus root 5 here. We have root 3 plus root 5. We have root 5 plus root 7. We also have root 5 plus root 7. So we can say let A equals to root 5 plus root 7. And also B equals to root 3 plus root 5. This is root 5. So we can substitute the value of A and B into what we have here. So this will become, we have here as A, here is A, then here is B, we have B, then here we say that this is B all over B plus A. We said it as equals to X. So we have this as the value of X. We can put a reciprocal of this left hand side and the right hand side. So this will become 1 all over X equals to, when you bring a reciprocal into this will go up and this will come down. That means we will have B plus A all over AB. So this is what we are going to have. So this is the same thing as having 1 all over X equals to B all over AB plus A all over AB. In this case, B will cancel here, B will cancel here, A will cancel here, and A will cancel here. So that means we can move over to this other side. So we said, okay, we can repeat this. We have 1 all over X equals to B all over AB plus A all over AB. We distribute this into each of B and A. So B will cancel here 1, B will cancel here 1, A will cancel here 1, A will cancel here 1. Therefore, 1 all over X equals to, here is 1 all over A plus 1 all over B. So we have that as 1 all over A plus 1 all over B. We recall that our value of A is this, and also our value of B is this. So we are going to substitute it back. So we have 1 all over X equals to 1 all over, so we have root, this is the same thing as root 7 plus root 5 plus 1 all over B. Our B is the same thing as root 5 plus root 3. So this is what we have. what we are going to do now is for us to multiply each of this section by its conjugate. So this will become 1 all over x equals to 1 all over root 7 plus root 5 times root 7 minus root 5, because introducing minus become its conjugate. Then we multiply the numerator by this conjugate, which is root 7 minus root 5. So that is what we have. We bring down the plus sign, plus 1 all over root 5 plus root 3. Multiplying that by its conjugate, that will give us into root 5 minus root 3. Then we multiply the numerator by its conjugate, will give us times root 5 minus root 3. So that is what we have. So you can look at this. You see that we have plus and negative here in between the parentheses here. You recall that when we had difference of 2 square, a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is the same thing as a plus b into a minus b. You can look at it closely. What you have here is what you have here. So what we are going to do is for us to express this in this other format. Before we do that, we need to multiply this. So this will become, so we need to clean this. So as we said that we need to express this in this format. So 1 all over x will be equals to, this is the same thing as root 7 minus root 5 all over, the whole of here will become root 7 all to the power of 2 minus root 5 all to the power of 2. Then we bring down the plus sign. We have plus. Then this one will be root 5 minus root 3 all over, expressing this in this format. So it will become root 5 all to the power of 2 minus root 3 all to the power of 2. So that is what we have. So here, 1 all over x will be equals to root 7 minus root 5 all over root 7 squared is equals to 7. So we have 7 minus 5, then plus, we have root 5 minus root 3, then we have here 5 minus 3. So in that case, 1 all over x will be equals to root 7 minus root 5 all over 7 minus 5, it gives us 2, plus root 5 minus root 3, 5 minus 3 will give us 2. So this is what we have. And we can further simplify this as this same thing as 1 all over x equals to root 7 minus root 5 plus root 5 minus root 3. That is for the numerator, all over 2, because the denominator is 2. So we can put it as all over 2. So in this case, we have minus root 5 here, we cancel plus root 5 here. Therefore, 1 all over x equals to, we have root 7 minus root 3 all over 2. So in this case, we have reciprocal of x here. So we'll make another reciprocal of x to turn it to become x. Therefore, our value of x will be equals to 2 all over root 7 minus root 3. So in this case, we need to multiply it, because this is short form. We need to multiply it by its conjugate for us to find the value of x. So we need to clean this. So as we said, we have our value of x equals to 2 all over root 7 minus root 3. So in this case, we need to multiply with its conjugate because this is short form. So our value of x will be equals to 2 times root 7 plus root 3 all over root 7 minus root 3 into root 7 plus root 3. We recall that when we had a minus a to the power of 2 minus 2b to the power of 2 is the same thing as a plus b into a minus b. We used this before. So this, we can see that this other side is the same thing as this. So we are going to express this in this format. We can swap this to become this. So our value of x will be equals to 2 into root 7 plus root 3 all over, this will become root 7 to the power of 2 minus root 3 to the power of 2. So in this case, our value of x will be equals to 2 into root 7 plus root 3 all over root 7 squared equals to 7. Then root 3 squared equals to 3. So this is the same thing as, so we need to clean this. So we have that. So our value of x here equals to, we have 2 into root 7 plus root 3 for the numerator. Then the denominator will be 7 minus 3, which is all over 4. In this case, 2 will cancel here 1, 2 will cancel here 2. So we have our value of x equals to root 7 plus root 3 all over 2. So this is what we have as the value of x, where the whole of here is simplified to root 7 plus root 3 all over 2. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.